How to train ChatGPT to create your business. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with training ChatGPT to actually create your business or to understand your business and create multiple different items for your business. So there is a lot that you can do with ChatGPT, and there are multiple different ways that you can actually store data in ChatGPT. You can see that if you have any stored, ChatGPT actually learns from that information. It doesn't need you to provide, complete prompts. It works in a conversational style because it's like a person that remembers, what you previously said. So whenever you open a new chat, whatever you type in from the start of the chat to the end, it remembers it all in a direct context. Now, ChatGPT is a learning platform. It learns off of the website text. It has been learning off of text for the development of this specific AI application. So all you have to do is you can see if you have like a store already, or if you have like a sales funnel, a e-commerce store, a website, a portfolio, whatever it might be, you can just actually go on ahead and copy this, paste it over here. So if you provided a link like this directly, it does not have, access to the internet. So when you do this, it's going to give you this answer. But I'm saying that this is a text-based platform and you have to just enter your sales funnel or your sales section. Well, by that, I mean that you can go into maybe, let's say we have this section over here, and you want to just copy this like so. And we can copy this like this, a specific page, and then you can go on to ChatGPT, click on Command V, and then you can ask it to rewrite this in a more SEO optimized format. And you want to specify what type of page this is. For us, this is a product page, so I'm writing, can you write this product page in a more SEO optimized form? Like this. And now you can see this is going to start writing it in a more SEO optimized form just by the information that I have provided. And you can see it is even taking note that Asian sizes are usually 1 to 2 sizes smaller than European and American sizes. It has size information, notes, and it's really providing a better version of the pre-existing product page. And then I can edit my product page or my sales funnel, whatever it might be, for my business from this. Now, the best part about this is that you can also go on ahead and ask it to write a sales copy. So you guys, you can see here are some examples of a sales copy, Instagram listing, and a marketing script for the red, white top. So it just took the pre-existing information that I placed above, and it's using that to create a sales copy, a Instagram listing, and a marketing script for our little item. And in this way, you want to make sure that all of your conversation for a specific website or business stays within one chat. The reason for that is because it will have the pre-existing information about your business, and then it can learn from that information and continue on working. So I can ask it, so can you recommend what type of product I should add to this business? It's difficult to provide a specific product, but let's redo this. Marketing trends, it's going to give me some general suggestions such as accessories or shoes that might be styled without clothing. And then we can add seasonal or trend-driven pieces to keep our inventory looking fresh. So you guys can see, obviously, when I provide more information about my business, the more information you provide, the better and more targeted answers ChatGPT can provide to you. And next up, let's say I want to go on ahead in my products page or in my home page, and I am not sure about how to write a FAQ page. So I'm going to ask it to write me a FAQ page like this. So can you write me a FAQ page for a clothing company called Dead End Clothing? And then all of this is going to provide me some very basic ones. Then if you have any specific questions that you have in mind that you might want to include in your FAQ, you can definitely go on ahead and enter those as well. And that will enable you to actually, just make a very, very complicated page into a simplified one with their automation, with the information that ChatGPT writes for you, instead of having to spend hours and hours writing copy and spending so much time and difficulty in just writing these redundant things and rewriting them, quillbotting them, making sure that they are different from other businesses. So after a FAQ page, you can write about us pages. You can provide it with a basic summary of your origin story. You can write those pages. Now, not only is ChatGPT helpful in providing a business website targeted content or Instagram or social media targeted content, you can actually do a lot more with ChatGPT. Now, after this, I will ask it to write me an email for abandoned carts. So, can you write me an email for the abandoned cart customers with the red white top? Now, you guys can see it's going to specifically use that as the item that people have left in their cart. And this is going to be a great way to target customers in a simple and effective manner, which is going to help you in making sure that your business is seeming professional and effective. It has a good understanding of its customers, providing the information that the customer wants. And you can write these kinds of emails, all of your marketing emails. I have used this for my dropshipping business, and I've written all of my basic marketing emails, other than, the ticketing emails or the issue emails. I've written all of those directly from ChatGPT because there's simply very redundant things that you have to write, and it can be a little tiring to do it on your own. So this is definitely a great way to train ChatGPT to customize their emails, to customize, the writing style to your business. And sooner rather than later, you will notice that half of the writing work that you have to do in your day-to-day business is going to be reduced a lot, because a lot of times marketing and social media marketing can take up so much time and creativity, and instead of having to go on ahead and do it on your own, you have a tool like this to help you automate your entire writing session. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with using ChatGPT to create your business. You can ask it to generate ideas for you, generate, PowerPoint presentations for you, and so much more using this powerful AI. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.